Hey, what's up, guys? Black Feather Snipes at you with another video. Today's video is going to be about Bob. And I found it basically how I found all my coins on crypto bubbles. Then I look for the green bubbles, click on those, and then look for some short term momentum and what it's trading on. So it's not showing today because I found this play a couple days ago. Uh, but here it is right here. As you can see, it's trading on KuCoin, MEXC, which is a plus, what I look for. Then the hour, day, and week is all positive. And I kind of like that the month is a little red because it's showing me that not a lot of, it still has a lot of upside growth because a lot of coins have just really pumped hard lately because of Bitcoin has been going up. So that tells me that if, eyes get on it, it can still go really high, really fast. Like I said, the market cap is 4 million, which is another way of showing that. 24-hour volume 717,000, which is, like I said, an indicator of momentum. That's really good. If the market cap is only 4 million, that's saying that it's trading a lot of hands. Then the next thing I go for is Coin Codex. So I just put in Bob. They don't really have a lot of information on it. They don't really see it doing anything. You see the fear and greed index is greed, so I like that in this case because if it's greedy, then that means that a lot of people are getting into it and see it going up for the short term. And when you come down, you can see that all of the technicals, like the simple movement and the EMA, is all buy. With a few sales, but that's fine. Not a lot of they have support levels, but I like to use my own. You can use theirs if you don't know how to draw support and resistance yet. But if you're like a intermediate trader with a little knowledge, you can pretty much draw your own levels. Um, so once again, then I'm gonna hop over to Trading View because, like I said, that'll show me um, the key levels of support, resistance, what I look for. Um, So I already have some charting done on it because I did trade this in the past. I bought it down here and was up like 100% when it went here, like which was only a few weeks ago. And I've just had it on my radar ever since then. But what I really like about it is when you check the MACD, you can see when the last time it pumped, which was October 14th. So that was about a month ago, um, or a month and a half ago. You can see it crossed that MACD on October 14th, and you can see it went from this level. So I'll just put it right there, October 14th, and it came all the way up here at the very peak. It was about 100%, 100+% if you look at the wick. And then, so once it cross back over to the negative side, that's when it's, kind of just been going down, going down. And as you can see, it's just crossed positive again. And that's what I like. So you missed all that downside, and now you'll be buying in again, ready to catch some more upside. And the second thing that I look for when I do these is the Fibonacci's. So you can see the swing low to swing high from, you would want to draw Fibonacci before, basically when you see a big impulsive move to the upside or to the downside, and then you would draw it from swing low to swing high. So I did that with this move October the 14th to October 26th because that was an impulsive move to the upside. Like I said, that was about a 100% move. And as you can see, it receded all the way back down to about the 0.786 level. And that's like the green zone for the Fibonacci. That's where you want to see it basically after that swing high. You want to see it retrace to that level of support. Hence, that's why they call it the golden zone, the green zone. A lot of traders wait for it to fall back into this level before they start to push it higher again. So that's the second thing that I like about it. And then, so it's in the green zone. It's hit this level. I'll draw a line just to show you guys. Um, you can see it's hit this support like right here a few times. It's been trading down there from the November the 14th all the way to November 30th, so about 2 weeks, and it didn't go below that point, and it's the green zone, and now it just crossed above the MACD again, with another, good green bull candle. Uh, so that's what I like about it, guys. I'm going to be trading this play again. I think it has a lot of potential. Um, Once again, I got into it like a couple days ago. And once again, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. These are just plays that I'm getting into that I see potential. This is for educational purposes only. But this is something that I'm looking at that I'm in right now, trying to do the $1,000 to $10,000 challenge with you guys. Um, and I will give you guys an update on my portfolio as a whole since I've started the challenge. Just to give you guys, I'll probably give you guys weekly or bi-weekly updates on that. Since this is swing trading, it's going to take time for these plays to materialize. But yeah, this is Bob. Um, Once again, I'll just give you guys a couple projections and then maybe some uh, support and resistance levels. So basically, it crossed the MACD, and I want to see it close above this level right here. So once it closes above that level, it's going to be really interesting to watch Bob and see what it does, because the next level of resistance, and it's not really that much, would probably be right there. Then the next one would be right here, because these are once again pivot points. Um, so basically, before when something is going up and then it decisively goes down, or it's been going down and then it decisively goes up, that gives you an indication that it's a strong level of support or resistance. And then when something breaks resistance, it becomes a strong level of support. But yeah, there's not very much levels, once it start breaking these uh, that first resistance level. You can see all the space in between to the next resistance point, and that's what I like about it. Then probably the next one, a little bit right here, and then the next one would be like, up in, to this level right there. But like I said, just from here, from where I got in at to the next, I got in about right here. So to that first resistance level, it would be a 26% gain, and then I would really be bullish on it once it closed above that level, and then that's when I'm looking, at a 73% gain. And like I said, these resistance levels or resistance and support levels, those could also be like your price targets. So for my case, that could be a price target right there. When I'm up 27%, I'll sell some. Then when it gets to that next level, 73%, I could sell another size of my position. Because that's the whole point. You're selling right when it could go down, because it's a resistance level. It's like a wall. It could return back down, because that's the whole point. It's a resistance level. So you might want to take profit at that point, because it could reverse. But like I said, I would hold it. I hold my plays um, once the MACD cross, and then I sell once it crosses back over. So that's how I avoid, selling too early or getting out too late. Um, so that's just a strategy that I use. Um, And like I said, I love these type of plays, because after those first two resistance levels, it could break up to this third level resistance, and then that would be 135%. And you're already looking at massive gains, just from the first two levels. And that's what I like to see in my plays. Do they have a lot of room to the upside? When I'm looking at them, I don't like to get into plays where they move up a lot, but it'll only be like a 5% gain. That's pretty much big market cap coin. So that's why I tend to look at small market cap for my plays. But once again, that's pretty much all I have for this play. That's Bob. I'm going to be updating you guys on it probably weekly or bi-weekly, letting you know what's going on, how it's doing. But that's all for this video, guys. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll get back at you later. Peace.